If you want to see how I got this Fortnite Brite Bomber look, go ahead and keep watching this makeup tutorial. I picture Brite Bomber to be very pink and glittery and freckly with freckly, I don't know. But this is how I envision her to look as a human. So I've already prepped my eyelids and also did my eyebrows. So now I'm just going to go into the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm going to use Ice Pop as a transition color for my eyelids. So I just blend, and now I'm going to go into Modern Renaissance and use the color Love Letter and use it as my outer corner of my lid. So I'm just going to pack that onto the outer corner of my eyelid, and then I'm just going to blend it all together with Ice Pop. After I'm done blending everything together to my liking, I then go into the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette again and use Strawberry Lemonade and sugar coat it and just pack that on the rest of my eyelid. So after that, I just blend everything together just so it could look nice and not too harsh. And after that, I already did my foundation and also bronzing and contour. Going back into Ice Pop, I'm going to put that in my lower lash line area and just connect it to the rest of the eyeshadow. Also blending that out. And then I'm also going to go back into Ice Pop and use that as a blush for my cheeks and my nose. And then also go into my Note blush in the shade Desert Rose and also put that on my cheeks and nose for a more pinky peachy look. Now I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. When I think of Brite Bomber, I think of bright, literally. So I'm going to use like 3 to 4 different highlighters for this look. I'm also going to use a baked highlighter, and then I'm also going to use those same 2 colors that I use from Maybelline Lemonade Craze, which are the lemonade, strawberry lemonade, and sugar coated, I believe it's called. Yes, I'm gonna mix all of that as a highlight on my face. And for my inner corners, I'm just gonna use strawberry lemonade and sugar coated again from Lemonade Craze. I'm telling you, I'm just highlighting everywhere. So now I'm gonna set my face with setting spray, and then I'm gonna put some mascara on. Okay, so like I said in the very beginning of the video, I pictured Brite Bomber to have freckles. So I drew on some fake freckles using Old Fashioned from Lemonade Craze again. And then I also used this Old Desi lip gloss. I'm not really sure what the shade is. It doesn't really have a shade, but it's like this brownish, mauvish, pinkish type of color, and I thought it looked great with this look. It's my everyday lip color, so I can't go wrong with this color. And yeah, this is how it came out. This is how I pictured Brite Bomber to look. So now that's all that's left is to put on her hair and her outfit. So I'm not gonna lie, it was a bit of a struggle putting this wig on. It didn't cover all of my hair. It still showed some of my hair, and it was kind of hard to make it feel comfortable on my head and still have my ears out and stuff instead of covered, and still try to hide my natural hair, but it wasn't working out, so I just left it at that. But overall, I think the makeup looked nice. The hair still looked nice, even though my natural hair was still showing, peeking out. But overall, everything looked good together in my opinion. But You know, comment down below what you think. And also, it was fun to recreate Bright Bomber, so I really hope you enjoyed this like I did filming it. So let me know, guys. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Look, we're gonna see the pool.